Today I'll tell you all about different climatic or heat zones of the earth. You know, the climate zones of earth are distinguished by the latitudes that run across the earth's surface. The most important ones are equator, which is present at 0 degree latitude, Tropic of Cancer, present at 23.5 degree north, Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degree south, the Arctic Circle, which is present at 66.5 degree north, and the Antarctic Circle, which is present at 66.5 degree south latitude. You know, the whole earth is divided into three distinct temperature or climatic zones based on these latitudes. And these zones are, the first one is tropical zone. This is also known as torrid zone. It extends from Tropic of Cancer to Tropic of Capricorn, means it extends from Tropic of Cancer, that is 23.5 degree north, to up to 23.5 degree south. So this is tropical, or you can say torrid zone. Okay. The sun rays are more or less vertical on the equator throughout the year. The remaining areas are also characterized by vertical sun's rays at least once every year. It means the sun rays are vertical in this tropical or torrid zone. There is no winter around the equator, means around the equator there is no winter because of high temperature prevailing throughout the year. But one as approaches towards Tropic of Cancer or Tropic of Capricorn, summer and winter seasons are clearly observed and differentiated. Means one will experience both summer and winter near Tropic of Capricorn and Tropic of Cancer. But at equator, only summer season will prevail. The duration of day and night near equator is 12 hours, but near tropics, it may be slightly longer or shorter. This torrid or tropical zone includes most of Africa, southern India, southern Asia, Indonesia, New Guinea, North Australia, southern Mexico, Central America, and northern South America. Now, the next zone is temperate zone. This temperate zone extends from 23.5 degree to up to 66.5 degree latitudes in both hemispheres. Means it extends from 23.5 degree south, that is Capricorn, to up to Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere, where it is known as southern temperate zone, whereas in northern hemisphere it extends from Tropic of Cancer to up to Arctic Circle, where it is known as northern temperate zone. The duration of day and night is longer in this zone, but it is never more than 24 hours. The sun is never overhead in this zone. There is marked seasonal contrast with the northward and southward migration of the overhead sun, and thus the range of temperature between summers and winters becomes exceptionally very high. So you can see the sun radiation is not vertical in this zone, it is oblique like this. The north temperate zone includes Great Britain, Europe, North Asia, North America and northern Mexico, whereas southern temperate zone includes southern Australia, New Zealand, southern South America and South Africa. Now, the third climatic zone or temperature zone is frigid zone. This frigid zone extends from 66.5 degree to up to 90 degree in both hemispheres, means it extends from here to here and from here to here. So this is known as frigid zone. In northern hemisphere there is north frigid zone and in southern hemisphere there is southern frigid zone. This is known as Arctic and this is known as Antarctic. It is characterized by more oblique sun's rays throughout the year, resulting into exceptionally very low temperature. The length of day and night is more than 24 hours. And even the day-night cycles are super weird. Days and nights are of 6 months duration at poles. Sun is never vertical and the ground remains covered with snow as temperature more or less remains below freezing point. You know, the north frigid zone includes Alaska, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Denmark, Greenland and northern Russia, whereas southern frigid zone, which is also known as Antarctica, is not owned by single country. As per 1961 Antarctic Treaty, this is established as natural reserve devoted to scientific study and explorations. Now, conclusion. Here you can see how the characters are changing in different temperature zones, such as in tropical zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. Position, you know, it is in between 23.5 degree north to 23.5 degree south. The temperate zone is present in both hemisphere between 23.5 degree to 66.5 degree. Frigid zone is present in both hemispheres between 66.5 degree to up to 90 degree. Now, second character, day and night duration, it is 12 hours in tropical zone. In temperate zone may be longer day and night, but never more than 24 hours. In frigid zone, day and night duration more than 24 hours, at poles 6 months day and night. Climate, you can see there is hot climate in tropical zone, warm climate in temperate zone and extreme cold in frigid zone. If you are planning for a vacation, then you should go to the temperate zone because the temperature is appropriate. Now, here you can see how temperature is changing all along different climatic zones of Earth. Here blue color is indicating the freezing temperature, green color is showing warm temperature from 0 to 10 degrees centigrade, and yellow or red color represents the hot climate where temperature is more than 10 degrees centigrade. So, you can very well see that in tropical zone temperature always remains hot. This is the tropical zone. Where temperature always remains hot. In temperate zones, there is marked temperature variation, indicating different seasons such as summer and winter. So, this is north temperate zone, this is south temperate zone. Whereas in frigid zone, which is present at poles, the temperature always remain freezing. Now, here you can see the regions of the earth where tropical zone, temperate zone and frigid zones are present. So, that's all about heat or climatic zones of the earth. In the next lecture, I'll discuss about season. Thank you very much.